This video will show you how to use the recent enhancements made to the custom email template, including uploading a custom image, writing custom text, and scheduling a future send date. From your homepage in CRM, navigate to the Select Campaigns tab and scroll down to find the Custom Email Template campaign page. You'll notice a new Customize this campaign section below the description and send activity fields. This section is available across the majority of the email campaigns, allowing you to add a more personal touch to ready-made communications. You can replace the default custom template banner image with one of your choosing as long as it meets the dimension, file size, and file type requirements. You can adjust your own image dimensions by visiting sites such as resizeimage.net. Simply upload your image on the site. Find the option to resize your image according to Direct Marketing's required dimensions, and then download the image for later use in your campaign. A specific subject line can also be written for your custom email template, up to 150 characters in length. This includes spaces. Meanwhile, you can write custom copy for the template up to 4,000 characters in length, including spaces, which will appear as two main sections, the introduction and conclusion. We recommend writing your custom copy in another program such as Microsoft Word or Pages for Mac first to monitor spelling, grammar, and character count. Note that the custom template will accept foreign characters to accommodate for use of other languages. Once done customizing content, you can set a future send date for the email campaign. Save this date along with your customizations by clicking Save. Finally, find out how your custom banner image and text appear in the email by using the campaign preview function. Note that any custom text written in the conclusion section will appear more prominently in bold towards the bottom of the page. Business branding specs applied through broker settings in Podium will continue to apply. Test that your specific subject line has been applied by sending a test email to a chosen email address.